Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. Babe, you coming with me?
Enjoy your life.
Really though? Alright guys, come on man. Let's go for another ride. So today, I gotta make sure that I'm holding this camera right. So today, well, I gotta pick up this GoPro. We'll see, I don't know. I'm gonna compare the GoPro Hero 5, which I had for a long time. Is gonna be versus the Hero, probably the Hero 9 or 10. I'm debating between the 9 and 10 because they are newer, of course. And I have an update. I'm not going for the 360 or whatever. So we'll see. I gotta upgrade my GoPro, and I was like, why not? Let me just take you guys along with me. Why not? The GTR drive again. Let's go, man. it's about that time to stop for some E85 real quick. Ooh, look at that vet. Oh man, you guys didn't get a chance to see it. But there was a nice vet over there. Right now, we are stopping for some E85 real quick. First stop for the day, but I don't know, coming especially from you guys, what you guys think about the Hero? I don't know, I had the Hero 5 for so long. I don't even know, like I thought I was gonna pick up like a Hero 6 or something like that. But the GoPro already moved on to Hero 10. Let me find out they got Hero 11 or something like that, so we'll see. Right now, exactly $27. Let's go, man. Alright guys, so we just made it to Microcenter. I hope you guys did enjoy the quick drive that we just did right now. I don't know if if the GoPro battery is gonna be charged, so we'll see. If it is charged, I'll pop it in and just drive for a bit. And man, it's cold outside, yeah. But anyway, let's go in there. Let's see what the, I don't know, I hope they have the Hero 10, but let's see what they got. It's good.
You do a lot of moving stuff?
Yeah, that's
Try to go with the
pick it
10.
up.
Try to go with the 10. Let me make sure I got one in stock and we'll head from there.
Alright. Now, either the Max, I think the 8, 9, and 10, which one would you go for, like, if you are, as far as video quality and also audio?
So I know the 10's gonna have the best picture and audio. The Max just has 360.
Yeah.
So if you're not really concerned about 360,
yeah, that's not me right now. Okay.
that stuff's getting blown up.
You know, it's max requiring here. So I don't know. I feel like the Max, I don't really need it like that, but if I would either go for like the 8 or the 9, but the 10 actually do better than both. So why not just go straight for the 10 anyway? So we're gonna test it out, see what it looks like, and then we'll just go from there. So since I just got it, I'm not gonna be able to get everything charged and put it in the car already. So maybe another day we'll try it out. But I don't know, everybody's telling me it's so much better than what I have. That's why I was like, I gotta pick it up. I have to. All right. Whew. Should we open it in the house? I'm ready to go home, man. I'm ready to go home right now. Made it home. I hope you guys did enjoy this drive. I didn't get a chance to open the GoPro yet, but this is what it looks like. I mean, you know, once we open it, we probably gonna drive with it and see what it looks like. I heard you can actually vlog with this too. You know, I kind of hate walking with this big camera. This GoPro might be my next vlogging camera. I don't know. You never know, man. But anyway, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Definitely let me know if you guys want me to keep going with episodes like this. I know I don't talk that much, but I know this is something that I'm gonna enjoy later down the line. Let's say if I don't own a GTR anymore, whatever. And yeah, that's it for now, man. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Peace out.